Canoo to provide business update on August 22nd as shares approach new low. Canoo to participate in upcoming investor conferences. Canoo, an Oklahoma-based electric vehicle startup, will deliver a keynote at the Emerging Growth Conference 74 on Thursday, August 22nd. The conference announced on Wednesday the participation from Canoo, which will also include a Q&A session. The 30-minute-long session will take place at 2:20 p.m. Eastern Time, according to the conference's agenda. Year-to-date, Canoo shares have lost 76% of its value as the company continues the pilot programs with several potential customers. Over the last weeks and months, the company has been securing funding needed to afford the production of its commercial electric vehicles. Since the last earnings conference call, several analysts have updated their start of production SOP timeline, with some expecting the EV maker to deliver the first customer vehicles in early 2025, while others believe production could start in late 2024. So far, the manufacturer has delivered vehicles to Walmart, NASA, Reed C Global, the U.S. military, and the state of Oklahoma for pilot programs. In total, more than 20 publicly listed companies will present throughout the two-day event, including LeddarTech, Peninsula Energy, Nova Minerals, among others. In the latest update, provided at the second quarter earnings call held on August 14th, Canoo CEO Tony Aquila said the companies have completed 2 years of extensive testing and refining of specifications and use cases. Canoo to participate in upcoming investor conferences. Justin, Texas, August 21, 2024, Globe Newswire. Canoo Inc. NASDAQ, GOEV, a high-tech advanced mobility company, today announced that company leadership will participate in the following future investor conferences. About Canoo. Canoo Inc.'s NASDAQ, GOEV mission is to bring EVs to everyone. The company has developed breakthrough electric vehicles that are reinventing the automotive landscape with their pioneering technologies, unique design, and business model that spans multiple owners across the full life cycle of the vehicle. Canoo designed a modular electric platform that is purpose-built to maximize the vehicle interior space and is customizable for all owners in the vehicle life cycle, to support a wide range of business and consumer applications. Canoo has teams in California, Texas, Oklahoma, and Michigan. Forward-looking statements. The information in this press release includes forward-looking statements within the meaning of the Safe Harbor provisions of the United States Private Securities Litigation Reform Act of 1995. Forward-looking statements may be identified by the use of words such as estimate, plan, project, forecast, intend, will, expect, anticipate, believe, seek, target, or other similar expressions that predict or indicate future events or trends, or that are not statements of historical matters. These forward-looking statements include, but are not limited to, statements about our plans, expectations, and objectives with respect to the results and timing of the reverse stock split, and the effect the reverse stock split will have on the company's ability to regain compliance with the NASDAQ listing standards. These statements are based on various assumptions, whether or not identified in this press release, and on the current expectations of Canoo's management, and are not predictions of actual performance. These forward-looking statements are provided for illustrative purposes only and are not intended to serve as, and must not be relied on by any investor as a guarantee, an assurance, a prediction, or a definitive statement of fact or probability. Actual events and circumstances are difficult or impossible to predict and will differ from assumptions. Many actual events and circumstances are beyond the control of Canoo. These forward-looking statements are subject to a number of risks and uncertainties, including changes in domestic and foreign business, market, financial, political, and legal conditions. Canoo's ability to access future capital via debt or equity markets or other sources, the rollout of Canoo's business, and the timing of expected business milestones and commercial launch. future market adoption of Canoo's offerings, risks related to Canoo's go-to-market strategy. Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC, on April 1, 2024, as well as its past and future quarterly reports on Form 10-Q and other filings with the SEC, copies of which may be obtained by visiting Canoo's Investors Relations website at investors.canoo.com or the SEC's website at www.sec.gov. If any of these risks materialize or our assumptions prove incorrect, actual results could differ materially from the results implied by these forward-looking statements. There may be additional risks that Canoo does not presently know, or that Canoo currently believes are immaterial, that could also cause actual results to differ from those contained in the forward-looking statements. In addition, forward-looking statements reflect Canoo's expectations, plans, or forecasts of future events and views as of the date of this press release. Canoo anticipates that subsequent events and developments will cause Canoo's assessments to change. However, while Canoo may elect to update these forward-looking statements at some point in the future, Canoo specifically disclaims any obligation to do so. These forward-looking statements should not be relied upon as representing Canoo's assessments as of any date subsequent to the date of this press release. Accordingly, undue reliance should not be placed upon the forward-looking statements.